Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are learning about one of the most useful DAX functions in Power BI, that is call. If you are ever wanted to remove the filters, show totals, or make calculations that ignores slicer selections, this function is for you. Okay, let's get started. So, what does all do? In simple words, all returns all the rows from a table or all the values from a column, ignoring any filter applied. Okay, it is super handy when you want to calculate something like total sales, regardless of any slicers or filters. Let's look at the syntax. Syntax is very simple. All of what inside that table name or column name, we need to write it. Okay, let's check on the date. So I took the data, order date, region, and sales amount. Okay. Now, yeah, I have a measure for total sales. This is the total sales. Okay. Total sales is equal to sum of a sales amount. If I select any region in my slicer, okay, the total changes, which is normal. Okay, but what if I want to show the total sales for all region? Like here you can see. Okay, I'll select east, west, something like that. But here you can see the total sales changes because this is I didn't use any all functions here. But what if I want to show the total sales for all regions? Okay, even if a filter is applied, that's where all comes in. Look, all region sales. Here I apply the filter, but it is not affecting for this one. Okay, let's look at the calculation. What I have written here, calculate of sales amount. I used the all function here. All of sales regions. What happens here is this ignores the region filter and shows the grand total. Okay, it ignores the region filter. But thing is, but if I apply this filter, which is the order date, it will change, right? Why? 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 Because look, here I used all of region. Here for the column I used the all of region. Okay. Now, um, all can also be applied to an entire table instead of a single column. Okay, entire table means look at this KPI. Here I'll apply uh, filters. Look, these two are changing, but what about this one? This is not affecting for any of the filter. Correct. I'll show you the calculations for this one. What we have to do here, all of sales, calculate sales amount, and here all of sales means I used the table name here. Whatever the fields are there, columns are there under this table, that will be ignored. Understood? Here, what happens? This removes all the filters on a sales table like region, date, and anything, and returns the overall total for this one. Clear? Okay. In which scenario we use usually the all function? Okay, I'll tell you. In mostly showing the percentage of total. Percentage of total means we have the sales amount divided by total sales amount will be there. Total means in that case in the denominator we use all of sales. Okay, fine then. So to recap, you need to remember 3 points. Okay. First point is all removes filters from a column or a table. Okay. Second point, it's perfect for total calculations that ignores slicers. Fine. And last point is combine it with calculate for maximum flexibility. Remember this. 3 points. Clear? Okay then. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below if you want me to cover more DAX functions like filter, remove filter, and all accept. And yeah, see you in the next video.